Hi, today I want to share with you one of my favorite holiday recipes. Hi everyone. During the holiday seasons, there are a lot of favorite recipes that really throw me back to my childhood, take me back to my childhood. And this one in particular, I really love too. It's a simple recipe. It's pasta with tuna. So this is something, again, that we eat during the holiday season. Sometimes actually it's like a Good Friday, or it's the, Christmas Eve. Some of those more important days in our family tradition where we're not allowed to eat meat, where we actually opt out of meat and we go for something else. So this is one that, believe it or not, it's simple, it's delicious, it's easy. And as a university student, this was something that we ate a lot of because it's incredibly affordable, but delicious and nutritious. So let's get to it. In this recipe, we're going to need, I like it with spaghetti. You can do with any kind of pasta that you want, but spaghetti is my favorite. So when I say no, it's like tuna with spaghetti. That's the way we do it. You're going to need garlic, you're going to need parsley, and you're going to need canned tuna, preferably in oil, but it doesn't matter if it's in oil or water, and then because we're going to drain it. And that's pretty much it. Here we're starting with garlic. Chop up the garlic. I like to do it in thin slices and then I mince it because I want it to be undetectable, get the flavor. Same with the parsley. Chop up the parsley as fine as possible. There's the tuna. Use a couple of cans of tuna. Oil-based tuna is better than water-based tuna. A handful of pasta in boiling water with salt. Then generously add olive oil to a pan. Don't put it on too high of a heat. You throw in the garlic. You're going to put in also the tuna. You want those flavors to blend together. I don't add salt at this point because the tuna is pretty salty. I add half of the parsley in there. Not all of it. I reserve the other half for the pasta topping. And then we wait for the pasta to cook. We drain it. Don't drain it 100% all the way. You want it a little bit wet, or you're going to throw a little bit of the pasta water back into the sauce. Throw it into the pan. Toss it to perfection. Let those flavors finish cooking in the pasta. I throw the parsley on, and there you have it. So here you have spaghetti col tonno, spaghetti with tuna. I love this. As I said, it's really nutritious. It tastes really great. It's really simple to make. And it's one of those traditional recipes that I know from ever since I was a child, and throughout our family, we all have this dish around the holiday season. But like I said, it's so versatile. You can have it any time of year. And here is... Oh gosh, it smells so good. Buonissimo. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of the story and the history, and have a great holiday season. All the best to everyone.